die for me, nigga. I'm damn near perfect.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren Nicole, and for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys the basics of how I grew my hair. Now, it all starts with the wash day, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will walk you guys through every single important step. So now that my hair is taken down out of braids, it has just been taken down from being under a wig. It is very, very important to pre-poo your hair. I would not recommend going straight to shampooing right after you've taken it down from a wig, because your hair is brittle and weak, and you really want to make sure that you at least soften the cuticle with water and do a light pre-poo. Now, me, on the other hand, I like to do a light pre-poo which involves some type of protein. So right now I'm just going to use the keratin by Rusk. You can use any type of protein. This is just what I had on hand. I normally do use egg, and I'll always do this before I wash my hair if it is coming down from a wig. As you guys can see, I have only been using my hands mainly because it is very, very important to take your time. It is no reason to rush. You want to make sure that you are doing this on a day where you are doing nothing. You have nothing to do, which is pretty much like Sundays. So yes, I like to use my hands, and as you guys can see, it makes a huge, huge difference. No frizz, and all the hair comes out just the same way. You don't have to rush. All of the loose hair will come out in your hand. So once you are done, you want to make sure that you do massage it into your scalp, or at least loosen up whatever debris is on your scalp to prepare it for shampooing. And we're just going to leave this in for probably about 10 minutes. You don't want to leave it in too long. So when I shampoo my hair, I do not use any brushes or anything until it's time to condition. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse your hair. I do not shampoo my hair until every single strand is soaked and all of my hair has soaked up water good enough for me to start shampooing. If your shampoo does not lather on the first shampoo, you either didn't pre-poo or you didn't let the water run through your hair good enough. So you want to make sure that you massage your scalp. And when I shampoo, I always put conditioner on my ends. I know I didn't show that part, but yes, I do have conditioner on my ends. I just run it through really quickly. Then I go in and massage my scalp with the shampoo, and then you want to work it down later on. So also, I forgot to mention, while you're shampooing, you do not want to shampoo your hair damp. You know how your hair is really, really stiff. You want your hair to be dripping wet. So don't be afraid to go in and out of the water when you shampoo your hair. And also, I like to detangle while I rinse. I know it might sound like a lot, but you will get the hang of it and you'll start to naturally do it. But detangling underwater is just the best thing ever. It'll save you so much time. So now it is time for the conditioning part, and as you guys can see, my hair is gliding through like butter. I'm still taking my time. I still haven't decided to use a brush yet because I want to work that conditioner through with my hands before I go any further, because I will not use the brush until it's time to rinse. You guys will see. But it's all about the foundation, and I've learned that it's really just all about what you do before you condition, which is the proper way of shampooing, which is the best way to do it, is to pre-poo and then shampoo. So as you guys can see, I have my favorite brush. You guys, I swear by this brush. It has changed my hair. I have been using this brush for I don't know how long now, and this is probably the best brush to detangle with underwater. So this is actually one of my staples. I actually just reviewed this deep conditioner and I love, love, love this deep conditioner. So if you would like to see this review, I will put it at the bottom or probably above on the screen, and you guys can tap that. But I'm just going to run this through my hair, and I'm using only my hands. And I really, really take my time with my hands. My hands, I would say, has taken down my frizz so much. So I'm just going to put this up. And I would say I deep condition for about 2 hours, maybe 3, depending on what I'm doing for the day. So as you guys can see, my hair has been doing so well. I'm so glad I finally figured out what works for my hair, because that is very important. But I have also learned that it really starts with your wash day. It really does. It does start with your health, but your wash day is super important. And the longest I leave my hair in a wig is probably about 2 weeks, mainly because I just have to wash my hair. And this is how my hair turned out. It has been doing so well, and I will follow up with oil in my scalp. I'll show you guys how I did that. But starting off, I'm gonna just part my hair into 4 sections, and then we're just gonna get onto oil in the scalp. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I use. I'm really big on what I leave in my hair, mainly because it is very important, because you want to make sure that your hair is very moisturized and hydrated underneath those wigs or whatever protective style you're doing. So this one doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, silicones, anything like that. And I do swear by this one. A little goes a very long way. As you guys can see, my hair loves this stuff. So I put that on my hair, and I also oil my scalp with the oil that you guys saw. And you want to put this on your scalp when your scalp is damp, so it can fully absorb into your scalp. So this is how my hair turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yes, I just had to do a video starting with the basics because it is very important. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video.